Hello and welcome to our instructional video on how to solve for the variable in the equation 2x plus 9 equals 17. In this video, we will guide you through step by step on how to isolate the variable x and find its value. So let's get started. To solve the equation 2x plus 9 equals 17, we start by isolating the term with the variable on one side of the equation. Our goal is to get x by itself. First, we look at the equation 2x plus 9 equals 17. To begin, we need to remove the added 9 from the left side of the equation. We do this by subtracting 9 from both sides of the equation. When we subtract 9 from 2x plus 9, we end up with 2x. Remember, we must keep the equation balanced, so whatever we do to one side, we must do to the other side. Therefore, subtracting 9 from 17 on the right side of the equation gives us 8. Now, our equation has changed to 2x equals 8. So to summarize, subtracting 9 from both sides results in the equation 2x equals 8. This is how the expression is altered in this step, and the reasoning is to isolate the term with the variable x. Next, we need to solve for x by isolating it completely. Our equation is currently 2x equals 8. Since 2x means 2 times x, we need to undo the multiplication to isolate x. We do this by performing the opposite operation of multiplication, which is division. We'll divide both sides of the equation by 2 to keep it balanced. When we divide 2x by 2, we are left with x, and when we divide 8 by 2, we get 4. Now our equation has changed to x equals 4. So, to summarize, dividing both sides by 2 results in the term x being isolated, and we find that x equals 4. This means our solution is x equals 4. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.